All right, we have a special treat. We have the youngest group of robot startup engineers with me today. They are from the Robotics Inventors Club. These are all graduates of the infamous robotics summer camp programs that we do here in Virginia. And we're sponsored by ENSCO and by George Mason School of the Volgino School. I'm going ahead and we're going to start the presentation. I'm going to pass it off to one of the team members.
Hi, my name is Kareem, and I am part of the Robotics Inventors Club. We are a group of children trying to change the world by solving a real-world problem using a robot. We have started doing the Robotics Inventors Club by going through a series of summer camps with Infamous Robotics, learning the basics of a robot. And now we've been in the Robotics Inventors Club since October and having meetings almost every weekend. We are not just one team, but we are separated into three groups: the mechanical engineers team, the software engineers team, and the electrical engineers.
Hi, I'm Lena. I'm part of the electrical engineers team, and what the electrical engineers team does, they put like circuits together, and they decide what sensors to use, and we test them out to see if they work.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm a part of the mechanical engineers, and we designed the structure of the robot and where the sensors should be mounted.
Hi, I'm Kathleen. I am part of the software engineer team. We are in charge of writing the code for the robot so it moves. We have wrote over 200 lines of code and in C language.
At the time, Ebola was a problem in the U.S., so we decided to make Anna to help nurses so they don't get infected by the patients while they're handling.
Our solution is ANNA, which stands for Autonomous Nurse Assistant.
Here we drew a map, and we drew the map so that we know where the robot is going to go, and we can put those directions into our code. Well, right now, our code allows the robot to only accommodate 3 beds. But we can adjust the code so that it can accommodate any amount of beds of any size. Also, there are 8 sensors, 3 on top to detect if there are trays of food, and 5 around it to see if there's anything in front of it. So if it sees something in front of it, it'll stop and wait for the object or person to move away.
In the future, we are planning on making it so Anna can work with more beds. We're also planning on making her waterproof so we can sterilize her safely.
See our prototype in action. What you see here is Kathleen is talking about the robot, and I am plugging it in to make sure it goes, and where it's gonna go to the person on the bed, and it's gonna deliver the
Thank you for letting us present. This has been a great accomplishment for us since we're so young. And
Thank you very much.
I personally have so many questions. We've got questions for our youngest presenters ever. Also, Robotics Inventors Club. I thought it was Robotics Investors Club, so I was even 10 times more impressed.
Hey, congratulations on all your hard work and success. Definitely inspirational for all of us. My daughter here, so keep up the great work. Quick question. So her favorite movie is Big Hero 6. Would that be something that you would try to have like as a next step to be able to sort of evolve in, or what's the long-term goals for this?
Well, we haven't worked on walking robots. We are just starting with wheels, but in the future we're hoping to get into walking robots, maybe even flying.
Could you change the function of this to deliver pizza to my couch? And if so, how much? I'll buy it right now.
You could, but then that would ruin the purpose of it. Years worth of it just to deliver pizza.
Are all of you looking for fields, I guess, to work in technology now after doing this? Has it increased your interest?
I suppose so. Last time we did something like this, and we were asked what we wanted to be when we grew up. Lots of us said we wanted to be engineers. Some people said they wanted to be surgeons. So.
What's the maximum load that you guys can carry right now?
About 25 to 30 pounds.
Awesome. Great job, guys.
Good job, guys.